A participle is a verb form that functions as an adjective. It describes or modifies a noun or pronoun, but is not used as the main verb of the sentence. उर्दू तर्जुमा पार्टिसिपल एक ऐसा फ़ेल है जो सिफ़त की तरह काम करता है। ये इसम या ज़मीर की वजाहत करता है, लेकिन जुमले का बुनियादी फ़ेल नहीं होता। Examples: 1. The running water is cold. दौड़ता हुआ पानी ठंडा है. Running describes water. The broken vase is on the table. टूटा हुआ गुलदान मीज़ पर है. Broken describes vase. Types of participles. There are two main types. 1. Present participle form. 2. Past participle. What is irregular past participle? 1. Present participle. Definition: a present participle ends in ing and describes an ongoing action. उर्दू तजुदा participle किसी जारी फ़ेल की वजाहत करता है. Examples: 1. The laughing children are playing in the park. हंसते हुए बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं. 2. I saw a man running fast. मैंने एक आदमी को तेजी से दौड़ते हुए देखा. Open quote. Note: present participles can also form participial phrases. Running fast, he reached the station on time. तेजी से दौड़ते हुए वो वक्त पर स्टेशन पहुंच गया. Close quote. Do. Past participle, irregular form. Definition: a past participle usually ends in id, regular verbs, or has an irregular form, e.g. broken, eaten, and shows a completed action. उर्दू तर्जुमा माजी का पार्टिसिपल उमूमन ए पर ख़त्म होता है या बेकायदा शक्ल इख्तियार करता है और मुकम्मल शुदा अमल ज़ाहिर करता है. Examples: 1. The painted wall looks beautiful. रंगा हुआ दीवार खूबसूरत लगता है. The closed door prevented the noise. बंद दरवाजे ने शोर को रोका. Examples irregular. 1. The broken chair cannot be used. टूटा हुआ कुर्सी इस्तेमाल नहीं हो सकती. 2. The eaten food was delicious. खाया हुआ खाना लजीज था. Open quote. Note: past participles can also form perfect tenses. Past participle: she has finished her work. इसने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है. Close quote. Participial phrases. Definition: a participial phrase consists of a participle and its objects, modifiers, or complements. उर्दू तर्जुमा participle phrase में participle के साथ इसके मुतालिक अशिया, वजाहत या मुकम्मल मालूमात शामिल होती हैं. Examples: 1. Walking down the street, I saw an accident. गली में चलते हुए मैंने एक हादसा देखा. 2. Shocked by the news, she could not speak. खबर सुनकर वो हक्का बक्का रह गई. Important points, exam tips. 1. Present participle shows ongoing action. 2. Past participle, irregular, shows completed action. 3. Participles function as adjectives, not main verbs. 4. Participial phrases can describe the subject or object. 5. A participle cannot stand alone as a sentence. Level 115. Which of the following is a present participle? A. Eaten running. C. Broken. D. Painted. Answer B. Which of the following is a past participle? A. Playing. B. Singing. C. Broken. D. Running. Answer 3. Identify the participle in the laughing children played in the park. A. Children. B. Laughed. C. Laughing. D. Played. Answer C. Which of the following is a regular past participle? A. Eaten. B. Painted. Gone. Answer B. 5. Identify the participial phrase, walking in the park, I met my friend. A. Walking. B. Walking in the park. C. I met my friend. D. In the park. 6. Which participle is used to show an ongoing action? A. Present participle. B. Past participle. C. Both. D. None. And 7. Shocked by the news, she could not speak. The underlined part is A. Present participle. B. Past participle. C. Participial phrase. D. Noun phrase. Answer C. Shocked by the news describes the subject. 8. The broken chair cannot be used. The underlined word is A. Present participle. B. Past participle. C. Gerund. D. Main verb. Answer 9. Identify the participle in the crying baby woke everyone. A. Woke. B. Crying. C. Everyone. D. Baby. Answer 10. Which of the following shows a completed action? A. Running. B. Laughing. C. Painted. D. Playing. 11. The man sitting near the window is my teacher. The underlined part is present participle. B. Past participle. Gerund. D. Main verb. Answer. 12. Having finished his work, he went home. The underlined part is A. Present participle. Past participle. C. Participial phrase. D. Adjective clause. Answer 13. The stolen money was recovered by the police. The underlined word is A. present participle, B, past participle, C, infinitive, D, main verb. Answer 14. Which of the following is not a participle? A, running, B, broken, C, happily. Identify the participial phrase. Excited by the news, she shouted loudly. A, excited. B, excited by the news. C, shouted loudly. D, the news. Or B. Intermediate level 1635. 16. The barking dog scared the children. The underlined word is A, past participle, B, present participle, C, main verb, adverb. Answer 17. Identify the past participle in written exam was difficult. A, exam, B, written, C, difficult, D, was. Answer 18. The girl playing the piano is my sister. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, main verb. 19. Covered with mud, the shoes were dirty. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, noun phrase. Answer 20. Which is a regular past participle? A, gone, B, painted, eaten, broken. 21. The man reading a book is my father. The underlined part is present participle, present participle, C, adjective, D, gerund. Which of the following is a participial phrase of present tense? A, walking in the garden, B, painted wall, C, broken chair, D, eaten food. Answer 23. Surprised by the gift, she smiled. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, main verb. Answer 24. The repaired car runs well. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, D, noun. Answer B. 25. The present participle A, eaten, eaten, B, broken, D, written. 26. Which of the following can function as an adjective? Running, eaten, C, broken, D, all of these. Answer 27. The students studying in the library are quiet. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, main verb, D, phrase. Answer 28. The completed task was submitted on time. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, adjective. 29. Having lost his wallet, he was upset. The underlined part is A, past participle, but C, participial phrase, D, infinitive phrase. 30. The crying baby needs attention. The underlined word is A, past participle, B, present participle, C, main verb, D, phrase. Answer 31. Which is a past participle of irregular verbs? A, painted, B, eaten, C, running, D, singing. 32. The broken vase fell from the table. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, gerund, D, for answer. Joke. Laughing at the joke, he spilled his tea. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, main verb. Answer C. 34. Identify the participle in the frozen lake looked beautiful. A, frozen, B, lake, C, look beautiful. And 35. Having finished the homework, she went out to play. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, gerund phrase. Answer advanced level 3050. 36. The boy running down the street is my brother. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, main verb, adverb. Answer A. 37. The eaten food was delicious. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, infinitive. Answer B8. Which sentence contains a present participial phrase? A, laughing loudly she left the room. B, the repaired car runs fast. The broken chair is heavy. D, the eaten cake was sweet. Answer 39. The man injured in the accident was taken to hospital. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, main verb. Answer 40. Which is a participial phrase of past participle? A, painted wall, B, running dog, C, laughing children, D, walking man. Answer 41. Shining brightly, the sun warmed the field. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase. Answer C. 42. The stolen money was recovered. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, infinitive, D, main verb. Answer 43. Identify the irregular past participle. A, painted, B, broken, C, singing, D, playing. 44. The students laughing in the classroom were noisy. The underlined part is A, past participle, B, present participle, C, gerund, D, phrase. Answer 45. Having seen the movie, I left the theater. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, infinitive. Answer C. The completed assignment was excellent. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, gerund, D, phrase. 47. Which participle is used to form perfect tenses? A, present participle, B, past participle, C, both, D, none. Answer 48. The girl wearing a red dress is my sister. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, main verb, D, phrase. Answer 49. Identify the participial phrase, tired after the journey, he slept immediately. A, tired, B, tired after the journey, C, he slept, D, after the journey. 50. The eaten apple was on the table. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, gerund, D, infinitive. Identify the participle in having seen the movie, she told her friends about it. Having, B, seen, having seen, D, told, answer C. Having seen is a participial phrase indicating completed action. 2. Which of the following is a reduced clause functioning as a participle? A, walking in the park, B, because she was tired, C, she is laughing, D, they played football. Answer A, walking in the park is reduced from while she was walking in the park. The girl crying loudly is my sister. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, gerund, D, main verb. Answer. 4. The stolen car was found near the river. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, infinitive. 5. Which of the following sentences contains both present and past participles? A, the man sitting on the chair, tired after work, fell asleep. B, she is reading a book. C, painted walls look beautiful. D, he is running fast. Answer, sitting, present participle, tired, past participle. 6. The teacher, pleased with the result, praised the students. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle phrase, C, noun clause, D, adjective clause. Answer 7. Identify the participial phrase, exhausted by the journey, they slept immediately. Exhausted. B, exhausted by the journey. C, they slept. D, by the journey. Answer B. 8. Which of the following is not a participle? A, dancing, B, broken, C, eaten, beautiful. Answer D. 9. The man injured in the accident was taken to the hospital. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, gerund, B, 10. Which of the following can function as an adjective? A, running, B, broken, C, painted, D, all of the above. 11. The boy sitting in the corner looks sad. The underlined part is A, past participle, B, present participle, C, gerund, D, main verb. Answer 12. Having completed the project, she left the office. The underlined part shows A, present participle, B, past participle, C, participial phrase, D, infinitive phrase. Answer 13. The repaired car runs perfectly. The underlined word is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, main verb, D, adjective. Answer 14. Which of the following is an irregular past participle? A, painted, broken, playing, D, laughing. Answer B. 15. Smiling at the joke, he spilled his coffee. The underlined part is A, present particle, B, past particle, C, participial phrase, D, main verb. Answer C. 16. The man known to everyone is kind. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle, C, noun clause, D, infinitive phrase. 17. Which of the following sentences contains a reduced participial clause? A, walking quickly, she reached the station. B, she reached the station because she was walking quickly. C, she is walking. D, she walked. Answer 18. The students laughing in the class are noisy. The underlined part is A, past participle, B, present particle, C, noun clause, D, phrase. Answer. 19. Shocked by the news, she could not speak. The underlined part is A, present participle, B, past participle phrase, C, main verb, D, noun clause. Answer B. 20. Which sentence uses participles correctly to modify the subject? A, running fast, the finish line was crossed by him. B, running fast, he crossed the finish line. C, he crossed the finish line running fastly. D, he running fast crossed the finish line. Answer B. Correct placement should modify